In this video, I'll show you how to download Audacity on Windows 11. It's a quick and simple process, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Audacity Download and hit Enter. From the results, click on the official website, which is audacityteam.org/download. Once you're on the download page, choose your operating system. In this case, select Windows. You'll see several download options, but the one you need is the 64-bit installer. Click the download button and the installer will begin downloading to your computer. After the download is complete, open the installer file. This will launch the Audacity Setup Wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions, choose where you want to install the program, and decide if you want a desktop shortcut. When you're ready, click Install. The installation only takes a minute or two. Once it's finished, you can leave the option checked to launch Audacity immediately, then click Finish. Audacity will open and you might see a small pop-up. Just click OK. Now you're ready to start recording and editing audio. That's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Audacity on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.